All right, guys, so today we're talking about how to use Loom when prospecting to sell voice AI services using GoHighLevel. This is going to be a little different today because this Loom video is actually sent to me to review by a member in our free school community. I said to him, hey, let's make a YouTube video out of this because there's a lot of great feedback here that I think everyone else could benefit from. So this video is only 4 minutes. We're going to go through it, but there's a lot of tactical stuff we're going to cover. It's very important if you're going to be using Loom as an outreach strategy. So starting off here, the very first thing, when you send a Loom, typically there's a preview GIF that will play some frames before the person opens it. You want to always start your videos with your camera circle here very large and in the middle. If someone pulls this image up on their phone, they may not really know what it is because they may not notice you down here in the corner right away. But if they see a big circle with somebody's face there, human psychology, you're going to get a higher open rate. He's using a template here just to demo this voice AI agent with the widget, but people that are going to watch this video don't know that. So we still want to make sure that our hero section and our copy matches the offer and the niche. His offer is for real estate, so obviously this photo in the back is fine. I would probably just delete this Your Realty text up here on the left. That's just extra noise. But this Find Your Place in the World probably could be a little stronger. I would explore some other options with that. Now, the main idea behind this is that you don't send this out to cold prospects you've never talked to. This is a video that you send people that have replied back positively looking for more information. So if you sent a cold email campaign or you sent DMs on Facebook or whatever, offering voice AI services, and somebody replied back, hey, yeah, I'm interested, send me more info. And that's important to understand what the framing is for the people before they get to this page. What have they read? What have they heard? What are their expectations? Because that's going to determine what the content of this Loom looks like, because it has to make sense so they know why they're watching or they're just going to click off. So let's start this here and see what we got.
Hey there, you reached
So we definitely don't want the extra takes, which is fine. That's all video is. There's about 400 takes. I just want to make sure we get those all cut out. I don't think this is the final revision, so part of the reason why I'm doing this review for him. Let's continue.
Today, I want to show you how you can never miss a call again, right? In today's climate.
Okay, so we don't want to say right in any videos for the most part. Maybe on a rare occasion. That is one of those filler keywords that has a negative psychological trigger for the viewer. They're watching content to learn something new. And when you say the word right in an upward inflection, that is putting forward the assumption that they already know or should already know what you're talking about. And if they don't, which ideally they don't, that's why you're sending them the video, that's going to be a negative reinforcement in their mind and make them feel dumb. You don't want to do that. You always want to empower your viewers. You don't want to ever say or do things that are going to make them feel like you are somehow superior to them. I still sometimes say that in my videos, and I just try to cut them out in the edits. I will keep going.
If you miss a call for your business, they just move on to the next person or the next business or your competitor. And we want to avoid that. That's what we specialize in, mostly for realtors and other service industries. So let's get into it.
Okay, so when we're sending out these types of videos, we really want to make sure that the person viewing it feels like our service is dialed in directly for them. To say we specialize in voice AI agents for realtors and then other additional industries. That doesn't matter to them. Just cut that out. You can specialize in multiple industries at the same time with a SaaS offer like this. So long as you don't have a universal agent that can be sold to anyone, you can legitimately say in the outreach video, hey, we specialize in real estate agents. Even if in reality you have customers in other niches, that's fine. That doesn't matter to them. Let's keep going.
Right. So what goes on?
Right. Don't say right.
We come on over here to chat with voice and we'll just hit the talk again. And you know what? Listen to how good she sounds. This is amazing.
Hey, you have reached the Realtor demo. How can I help you today?
Hey, good morning. My name's Tim. I'm a realtor in the St. Petersburg, Florida area, and I was wondering what kind of services you can do for me.
Morning, Tim. Got it. You're a realtor in St. Petersburg, Florida. So
I'm not sure if it's his Loom recording or whatnot, but there's definitely some choppiness in the AI's voice. That is not typical. I've done a lot of demos on my channel and they're clean, so I'm not sure what's going on there with that. I would retake this. We're trying to demo the voice AI. The audio needs to sound clean.
As a smart voice concierge, I can answer questions about buying and selling, qualify leads, recommend next steps, schedule appointments, capture contact information, and help visitors get connected with an agent, all directly from your website.
Okay, so this isn't exactly a demo of what their customers would experience. Right now, we're kind of asking the agent what it can do. That information should be heard directly from you in a structured opening so they can understand why they need the agent, why they want to watch it. I've written 2 alternate openers that I'm going to read, so we're going to cover that in just a minute.
Sees a listing, and how would they go about getting an appointment booked with you?
Great question. If a potential buyer sees a listing on your website, they could just ask to book an appointment right then and there. I'd guide them through the process, check your real-time calendar for available slots, offer options, and collect their contact info. Once they pick a time, I'd confirm the appointment instantly and send them a confirmation email. You'd get notified right away, so you can follow up or prepare for the meeting. It's all seamless. No waiting, no forms, just a quick conversation. If you want to see how that works, I can walk you through a sample booking flow.
No, that's okay. Would that sort of be
That is what you want. Like the demo for the agent should be what the customer experience is going to be.
For a seller, someone called me and they're like, hey, I want to sell my home with you, Tim. How would that go?
If someone wants on a live website and confirm the appointment, you'd get all their details with you and your client. Or have more questions, just ask. Have a great morning.
Okay, pretty cool, right? So next, we have the live chat. And this you would use more for if you don't want to disturb someone in the family or wherever you're at. Same kind of thing. So you would just say...
All right. I think I know what he's getting at here, but this is a little bit confusing. What he's saying is, say it was after hours or late at night and they didn't want to make a phone call or they couldn't, the AI agent can also text them and go through the same type of conversation flow. So that's got to really be disclosed in the beginning. You don't want to have features that you're diving into later in the video that aren't talked about in the beginning, because then it's like, wait a minute, why am I still watching this? You don't want people to be confused, not understanding what they're looking at or why this is in the video.
I would like to know more about your services. Okay.
And so again, asking what it can do. This isn't really a demo of kind of either thing, in the sense of a caller or an end user is not going to be interfacing with the agent saying, hey, can you tell me about what you can do? A client's going to be calling, asking about the thing that they want. And a potential agency prospect isn't going to ask the AI that either. The AI is going to have to take them through a structured demo where it asks certain business questions and then builds that demo in order to act as though they were then talking to a real prospect. We have a self-selling AI agent in our school community that covers all that. I got videos on it. He's not using that in this particular case.
And I'm not going to go super deep into this because it's just going to repeat what the voice did, but it's nice for at nighttime if you just want to be in a... See, kind of the same thing there. So at any rate, this is a really great solution if you're missing calls or you just need another assistant so you don't lose another opportunity. If you want to know more, I'll leave a description, a link, a phone number where you can get a hold of us and we can go through it in more detail. I appreciate you taking the time to watch it. Have a great day and get out there and make some money.
All right, so for the close, we definitely want to highlight just one transformational item that typically would be called out in the beginning of the video. So in this case, stop missing calls, and just tie that to one call to action, not multiple calls to action. All right, so here's how I would adjust this opener and close, both for if you were to send this Loom directly or if you sent someone to a landing page like this. This is a template one everybody in the school community gets for voice AI. Basically, you could plop in a Loom in here, or you could just use the white label video that comes with it. And it goes through a lot of those features, including a missed call calculator, in order for prospects to consume that information via text or video, whichever they prefer. I generally like to send people to a landing page because not everyone is going to want to watch a video, or some people might listen to a video at the same time they might scroll. So when you're really top of funnel and you got kind of colder outreach, you want to make sure you're giving people as many touch points as possible. And a video sales page that has the video sales letter at the top gives you essentially 2 touch points versus just a video, which would be only 1. We're going to cover both right now. So for the intro, I would open with something like, hey, Jared here. Thanks for taking a minute. That way they know you're a real person, the same one who just sent them the cold email or sent them the DM or whatever it is, so they can, again, make that connection. This is in the big circle, middle of the page. We're not demoing anything yet. Now, the rest of this, I'll just read from what I have written here. I know we're all crazy busy, so I'll make this short and sweet. As a real estate agent, you already know new leads are crazy expensive, especially if you're paying for calls from online listings. And as you know, if you try to call those people back, half the time nobody answers. So here, we're not trying to say anything new that we think they don't know, like market statistics or anything like that. We're just going to baseline ourselves with the common problem that we all know we have. That should be the framing of it. So you get that mental head nod, even if they're not actually nodding their head. They're agreeing, yes, we know every time we try to call people back, if they miss a call, half the time nobody answers. So just say it exactly like that. And then you go into your pitch. So here, now you can go in because you baseline what you're talking about. We build a custom solution that not only stops you from losing leads that call when you're busy. We're going to loop back to the problem we opened with, but our system works on all your social profiles as well as your website visitors. So no matter where people try to contact you, you've got a much higher chance of connecting with that lead so you can close more deals. Notice we cover multiple things. It starts with the voice AI, but then we expand into all the other stuff. So now that's our hook. So it's like, oh, wow, okay, I thought this was just voice AI, but this is a whole system. You get the idea. And then you simply go check this out. Now you can go into your live demo. That's if you're just going to send the Loom by itself. Then at the end of the demo, we want to be very clear with what their next steps need to be if they want it. Bring your circle back up, right? So now they're focused on you, big circle. You can simply say, hey, if having a system like this is something you think would help you get more sales, feel free to shoot me a text back or grab a spot on my calendar at the link below. I hope we can talk soon. That's it. They saw the video. They know what it is. They know if they have that problem or not, and they know exactly what to do if they want to solve it. Now, for the landing page variant, if you're going to send them a link to a landing page and not a link to a Loom video, once you give them their transformation promise, which in this case is you've got a much higher chance of connecting with that lead so you can close more deals, instead of saying, check this out, without and going and doing the live demo yourself, you could roll into, and hey, right below is a tap to call button and a QR code that will connect you with our live demo agent. Just tap that button. It's going to create a custom demo specifically for your business so you can experience exactly what your customers will if they try to reach out to you and you're tied up with another client. Give the demo agent a call and hopefully I'll talk to you soon. And that's it. You don't have to do the demo there because you want them to experience the demo for themselves. So this is 2 variants that you can kind of use the Loom video strategy. If you want to learn more about what we offer in our free school community, watch this video right here. And if you want to learn how to get 1,000 leads for free, watch this video right here. And I'll see you on the inside.